You can see here that I am just taking my pre-made pizza dough and I'm just cutting it up, covering the bottom of my baking dish. Now I have a little bit of melted butter. I'm gonna pour right on top of all of that dough, and this is going to just soak right in when that dough rises. It's going to be fantastic. I have a little bit of mozzarella cheese here that I did take the time to pre-shred because I do think that in this dish here, it makes a huge difference. So we're gonna go ahead and we are not gonna be stingy with the cheese. We are going to cheese this dough up. Yes, that is what I am talking about. Perfect. For a little bit of garlic, some minced garlic. If you wanted to dice up your own, of course you could. I am too lazy today, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw a little bit over a tablespoon of garlic right in the center there, and I'm gonna follow it up with a little bit of garlic powder. Yes, garlic, garlic and cheese. Garlic and cheese and butter and bread. Oh my goodness, you guys, we are making the best cheesy pull-apart bread. You are going to love this. Now we're coming in with some parsley. We got some fresh parsley here, and I'm gonna use my shears just to chop up some of that parsley. You know, this like just takes me back to being a childhood kid. My mom, she was a hairdresser. She used to cut hair all the time at the house. She had her little hair cutting room, and I would sit downstairs with my little Barbie dolls, which by the way, never turned out well, you guys. Good thing I didn't end up being a hairdresser. But as I sit here and I trim this parsley, it takes me all the way back to when I was a child, cutting that Barbie's hair, watching my mom as she did her thing. A little reminiscent, but you didn't know that about me, huh? Learn something new every day. Okay, so we are gonna just chop up a little bit more parsley here, and then I think we'll be just about good. All we're gonna do now is stir up that butter with the garlic and the cheese and the parsley, and all of those little pieces of pizza dough are just being fully covered. Look at that. Oh my gosh. You guys, you could eat this with something. I'm gonna throw it out for a little appetizer. This is a great little appetizer in finger food if you guys are hosting any parties for the Super Bowl. And if you are, tell me all about who's winning the Super Bowl, who's your team, who are we betting on, you guys? I live in Vegas, right? Let me know, give me some information. Where am I gonna put those bets for that Super Bowl Sunday? What is that gonna be on? February 9th this year, right? All right, I'm gonna get ready for it. And you send them over my way. You let me know what you think about that. Okay, look at that. All of our dough is just smothered in the parsley, the butter, and the cheese. You guys, this is gonna be some delicious, cheesy pull-apart bread. Wait and see what this turns out like. You guys are gonna fall in love. There you have it, you guys. Easy peasy, my specialty. Let's pop this in the oven at 400. It's gonna cook for about 20 minutes, and stick around because this is going to be the cheesiest and most delicious garlic bread in the universe, I promise. All right, check it out. Oh my goodness, that bread looks cheesy and delicious. Not to mention the garlic just smelled up the house delicious. Okay, I want the doughiest piece, so I'm just gonna come right in here in the middle. Now I debated on, I can tell where I could definitely pull this apart with my fingers, but I wanna get a big chunk out. So I'm just gonna cut it a little bit. Let's see what the bottom looks like. Oh my goodness, it's buttery, it's cheesy. You know it's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be hot, but look, see how these parts are like this? You can just pull them, just like that. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, so good. Look at how cheesy that is. The pizza dough is clutch. The parsley, the fresh parsley, great added touch. I mean, this is just so simple and easy. You make this, you throw it out, use it as an appetizer. I think 100% appetizer. I love this idea. I hope you guys do too. Let me know if you'd add anything else to it, what you think, if you're gonna give it a shot, and we'll see you guys later.